Tesla, being the electric vehicle and clean energy company founded by Elon Musk, has recently been on a meteoric rise. The company's stock price has increased by more than 700% over the past 5 years, and it has become one of the most valuable car makers in the world. As time passes by, Tesla just keeps growing and growing. Today, we'll discuss the latest news about Tesla, including updates on their production, Supercharger monopoly, record quarter, and more. But first, please remember to hit like and subscribe to this YouTube channel to stay updated on the latest in the luxury world. At Luxury Mindset, we bring you all luxurious information ranging from items, cars, houses, places, and even people who bathe in luxury. Not only that, but we also give you pretty much the amount you would need to purchase any of these luxurious stuff. So if you're interested in the rich, becoming rich, or even dreaming of lying on a mattress of gold or dollar bills, click the notification bell to keep yourself updated on this channel. In their previous Q1 2023 delivery numbers released this week, Tesla surpassed all previous records by delivering 422,875 vehicles, with 10,695 being Model S and X, and 412,180 being Model 3 and Y. While they produced 19,437 Model S and X vehicles, they only delivered 10,000 of them, which Tesla attributes to a shift towards a more even regional mix of vehicle builds and introducing cars in new markets. Tesla has been trying to sell their Model S and X inventory by introducing new features and paint colors and reducing prices. They are having trouble selling these cars compared to the Model 3 and Y, which offer similar features at a lower cost. Tesla's financial results for Q1 2023 will be posted after market close on Wednesday, April 19, 2023, where we learn about the effect of their increased deliveries, aided by lower costs on their profit margin. Simultaneously, with the Q1 2023 delivery numbers, Tesla announced a new milestone for their Texas factory, which has faced delays. After announcing that Giga Berlin has hit 5,000 vehicles per week, Tesla shared a video on Twitter saying that Texas has hit 4,000 Model Ys per week. While this factory is producing exclusively Model Ys, some of these cars are being built with Tesla's own 4680 cells, which has cost issues for Tesla as they are a new technology. However, the factory is soon adding the Cybertruck to their production line. Tesla's incremental improvements at each factory could produce 2 million vehicles a year soon. Meanwhile, Tesla continues to dominate specific markets such as Denmark, where the Model Y was the best-selling car in March, with 3,203 units sold. Additionally, supply chain sources from China are reporting that Tesla is preparing its supply chain to make 4 million units of its upcoming low-priced vehicle, which is rumored to be a small Model Y. Tesla has previously talked about this vehicle, which will be manufactured in Mexico and built on a new platform that will include multiple vehicles. Despite all this, there have been no details about what the car will look like or when it will be released. According to the news report, Blade Technology attempted to consult Tesla insiders about the company's plans for producing 4 million vehicles worldwide, with 1 million being manufactured at Giga Mexico. However, the insiders declined the comment directly, only saying no comment in response to repeating questioning. Tesla's plan to localize production in various markets will help keep the car affordable. The company hopes to introduce the new model in Mexico before replicating the production line at other factories. This is an important goal, as Tesla aims to ship 2 million vehicles in 2023, with the new model reportedly accounting for 4 million per year. The report refers to the new model as a small Model Y, which makes sense given the Model Y's popularity. While the new model will have a lot of new engineering and manufacturing components, it will be based on Model Y, with some parts copied or adapted while others are entirely new. The aerodynamic design of the Model Y will likely carry over to future Tesla vehicles, even if the company decides to make smaller cars. This is evident in the design of the Cybertruck, which maintains the bubble-like aerodynamic shape seen in all of Tesla's vehicles. A potential sighting of a smaller Model Y in China gives insight into what a smaller Tesla vehicle might look like. but it should be taken with a grain of salt. Tesla aims to produce 20 million cars annually by the decade's end, with 4 million being the more affordable EVs. Tesla's focus is currently on the Cybertruck, but the company plans to break ground on the factory for the new car in Mexico. Elon Musk has also provided new updates on the Cybertruck. As each new Tesla model nears production, there tends to be an increase in leaks and sightings. The Cybertruck is no exception, as evidenced by recent developments. Although Tesla previously stated that the Cybertruck would not have any paint, they have since started hiring for Cybertruck paint shop jobs, leading to speculation about why. Furthermore, there have been sightings of multiple Cybertruck prototypes, including one with smooth all-weather tires, which depart from the bulky all-terrain tires typically seen on the truck. Tesla may test different tire options to improve the ride, increase range, or reduce consumers' prices. Additionally, Tesla may offer multiple tire options for the Cybertruck, similar to their other models. Despite these changes, the prototypes still feature the same aero wheel covers as previous versions. In addition to the previous sightings and developments, there is an update from the factory. Elon Musk personally inspected the entire Cybertruck production line at Giga Texas and commented that it would be awesome and that it feels like the future. Initial production is slated for this summer, and Tesla is on track to meet the deadline since the production line is already in place. More sightings of prototypes include to emerge, including drone footage of the Cybertruck being tested on the Fremont test track alongside a first-generation Roadster. Even though Tesla no longer produces the original Roadster and has moved on to the second version, at least 8 people compare the two vehicles. On April Fool's Day, Tesla released a humorous crash test video of the Cybertruck, demonstrating that they are actively testing its safety. The production and delivery of the Cybertruck are approaching, as evidenced by 2 recent videos that reveal features we can expect from the production model. The videos show that the original large wiper will remain unchanged, but the front truck may be redesigned. In a previous month, it was suggested that the front truck might open like the Ford F-150 Lightning, and some buyers noted seams that could indicate the new design. While we have yet to see it in action, the seams in a recent crash test video suggest that the front truck may have a seam running down the front corner of the truck rather than across the top as previously shown. This would be a valuable addition to Cybertruck's functionality, and further information about this feature is anticipated to be revealed soon. Next, Tesla's dominance in the DC fast charging market has been highlighted by the recent data from alternative fuels data centers, as reported by EV adoption. Between January 1st and March 31st, 2023, Tesla installed 59% of all DC fast charging ports in the US, equating to 1,229 chargers, more than all other providers combined. Furthermore, Tesla installs an average of 13.2 ports per station, significantly more than the average of 4.6 across all providers. While Rivian's Adventure Network has installed more chargers than Electrify America, they still lag behind Tesla in this regard. However, Tesla's charging speeds max out at 250 kilowatts, while other providers and vehicles offer speeds up to 350 kilowatts. Nevertheless, the reliability of Tesla's charging network currently outweighs the faster charging speeds of competitors. Tesla's new V4 Superchargers, introduced in Europe, have a longer cable and are rated up to 1,000 volts and 615 amps, potentially allowing for charging speeds of up to 600 kilowatts at peak capacity. It is rare to achieve maximum output, but it is possible with these charging stations. Reports suggest that Tesla plans to include a CCS adapter in the V4 Supercharger frame, similar to their Magic Dock, but more integrated. In about a year, the V4 charger will output 350 kilowatts per stall, which Elon Musk dismissed as a children's toy in 2016. This is big news for future superchargers, as it will make them compatible with more cars, including the Cybertruck, and increase charging speeds. It remains to be seen if current Tesla cars will be upgraded to receive these faster charging speeds. With the implementation of V4 chargers, the current V3 250 kilowatt chargers will become the slower option on road trips. This exciting development signifies speedier charging and increased availability, which is desirable as EVs gain more popularity. The first step towards implementing V4 chargers is for Tesla to build more of these stations, as they are unavailable in the US. Tesla is hiring and introducing new products within the energy space, including the Cybervault. This product is a box inspired by the Cybertruck that integrates EV home charging. The Cybervault charging pile is tailored explicitly for the Chinese market. It includes a protective outer box and setting equipment to meet customers' safety, economy, beauty, and durability needs. The box contains Tesla's mobile connector, and the product appears to include installation. The Cybervault has a padlock for those who need to store their chargers somewhere it could be taken. This product is currently only available in China and is priced at approximately $800, but considering that includes installation, it could be a good deal. Tesla is also expanding its solar business rapidly. Last year, the federal tax credit for solar and batteries in the United States was increased to 30% and will be in effect for almost 10 years. This incentive is contributing to the rising popularity of solar power. Tesla offers solar panels that can be added to an existing roof and paired with power walls to store excess energy and provide backup power. California is a significant market for Tesla solar products, and they are currently hiring electricians, site surveyors, technicians, and advisors in several cities. Tesla is primarily focused on their solar panel product rather than their solar roof, which is only installed by third-party installers in some areas. Tesla's solar panels are also like Model Y or 3, while the solar roof is like a Model S or X with additional features at a higher cost. There is still uncertainty about the federal tax credit for the rear-wheel drive Model 3, which Tesla is waiting for official guidance from the IRS. This credit is supposed to expire on April 1st, but was extended to April 18th. Some vehicles may become ineligible for the tax credit due to using batteries sourced from China, which may prompt Tesla to adjust its battery manufacturing in the long term. And those are the latest updates on Tesla. Which one are you most excited about? Leave us your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the notification bell to stay updated with the latest in the luxury world. Only here at Luxury Mindset.